Good morning, Sam.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
Today we are going on a glass bottom boat to see fishies.
And then?
And then quite likely I'll be seasick. And then we're going to come back and lay by the pool all afternoon.
Maybe peddlers.
Oh yeah. Okay, bye.
So Sam, have the plans changed?
I have done my good deed for the year and swapped our 10 o'clock glass bottom boat thingy to the 2 o'clock one because a couple who are checking out at lunchtime want to go on it. So,
yeah, and hopefully this weather will improve by later.
So we're going to go and book our dinner this evening at the Seafood Beach restaurant and go and get a cup of tea.
Tea. Are you winning, Sam?
Why the jointy angle?
I'll show the deck of cards. Are you winning, Sam?
No, I'm not.
Oh! I went horribly wrong.
So why are you looking so smug, Paul? Why are you squinting?
Well, it's not because of my card playing skills, of which I completely lost rummy and crazy eights repeatedly against yourself.
By how much in one game?
It doesn't matter about the score.
Over 100 points.
Yeah, but it's not about the score. No, because we gave ourselves some good karma by giving up our 10 o'clock slot for the glass bottom boat, to which the couple who enjoyed it instead probably got completely soaked in the rain this morning. But now, look at this nice blue sky.
Blue sky.
Por favor, espero que sí salga en el vídeo.
So, we are now back on solid land, dry land. How are you feeling after the boat?
I have felt better. I have felt worse.
So, baby, before we came to dinner tonight, we had a quick, brief, a very quick rum tasting at the tea bar, where we drank a few rums in quick succession, really.
I think I did something like 6 back-to-back rum shots.
Okay, how are you feeling?
I can't feel my lips.
Okay, so Sam's going to eat this entire basket of bread because that will hopefully sober her up for the main course. Sam's made a friend.
This is your fault.
My fault?
You called him over.
Hello, pretty bitch.